Hot, on top of the senior brother for the television when they side of the world. Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195. And today, we carry the one when we say, now very serious issue inside the Nigerian politic arrangement. As it get to do with the one when we say, why come out on Monday, 27 July, talk say, state government, about 19, in fact, exactly 19. But another 19, we don't know one, Zamfara, because the governor, chairman of Governors Forum, as in they come, they give excuse. He can't use the own matter, say, in own state, they owe. We they look eye for inside this matter to see whether the future of Nigerian children, they secure at all, and waiting our governors, they do exactly safe.
Well, the point is this, waiting they them say, one, we they kick against the fact, say, governors, they owe. No doubt. We also they kick against the fact, say, look, these governors, okay, now make promises, say, now we'll give free education to students. And then the free education itself, we know they see. Okay, fine. And apart from that, we also don't get already a problem on ground already. You say the dwindling educational system for the country. And yet, the same governors are supposed to work on how to improve on this same sector and make sure, say, at least we upgrade the educational sector. So they add to the problem where we don't already get by owing people. If Nano if he pay this Nano if he give out free education, state it out. Make we know at least make we still know what the parents go fit do. The responsibility of he play. We got James. James is calling us from Lagos. Good morning, James. James, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we hear you right on.
Concerning this WAEC issue,
yes.
The government are to be blamed. The state government are to be blamed.
Okay.
But the truth of the matter, it is two-way thing.
Hey.
Guy James.
Oh.
I know say one start with Zamfara State. As he wants to say, he don't say the state will be blamed. He go come to say Zamfara State governor and the other 18 state governors. By the time when this list come out, many of these governors, they go, yeah, when. I see they calm down now because we never get their name finished.
You see my hand.
I think, what do you want? What do you
No, I don't hit my hand.
What do you do?
Chukudi, James, never hear what James
what do you do?
I wish James can call back. Make we know what James want to. I beg James, will they beg? Call back. Chukudi, mind yourself.
I pity you.
Mind yourself.
I pity
mind
you.
yourself.
I go lift you.
Napoleon, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Napoleon.
Good morning. See the heart.
Yes, Oga Napoleon.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank
Greet
you.
to Oga Napoleon.
But I beg, on a serious note, we enjoy this in our program,
Okay.
the argument team. But sometimes, if some serious issue they grant, make we face them. We could be a beg. Leave Chikudi, make you handle this matter for us this morning. I beg. Now, serious matter with this, make we talk and work.
Do I talk
As you dey deny say make we no dey call names, you dey cover some people. That's what he's
What
saying.
now they try to talk?
What you dey try talk?
Instead,
What
they
you
don't
dey
mention
try
the
talk?
state
To
involved.
make I finish my matter.
Allow am finish. You don't hear that?
So one guy called, he said, me they blame good luck. What do you concern good luck with money one governor?
I tire.
So they will just, during campaign, they will just make some points when they vote for them.
I
But at
tire.
the end, you know they work, they're going to drop. What do you concern good luck? So that the governor look in pocket, you know, saying go fit pay for the WAEC. Now he promised them. So now, why you no go fit pay? So what you know say you no go fit do, make you no talk am.
Thank you.
Okay.
So we don't pass all this level, all these election promises. Nigeria don't pass that level. Make them pay. Promise, you must fulfill it. Money they say they buy private jet up and how much? How much for the WAEC money? Make them pay. I beg, make them pay for them.
Oga Napoleon, thank you very
Thank
much.
you very, very much, Oga Napoleon.
If we do plus or minus, come out 19 states from 36, how many states we get left? Now, if the chairman of the governors forum they come at us say the governors need to know how much they owe exactly. Now you own excuse before they pay WAEC. What about the other states we know they owe? The other states we know they among these 19, they get two head. Who could if they talk to more they talk to? If they talk to more they talk to. Thank God say callers know say I'm on the side of truth. Everybody know. You don't hear them. Oga Napoleon don't give me endorsement. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Shikudi.
Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Okubi, the controversial. I
Thank
greet you.
you.
Good morning. Oga Shikudi, I'm supposed to see you for pulling out now for service chief for Abuja, but I got surprised I don't see you. No wahala, sha. Also the matter of today. The matter we discuss, I don't see what it concerns federal concerning state.
Nobody mentioned federal.
But you been they blame the past government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan.
That at least states where they were switch over
Allow
from
him
your
to
own
talk. Allow him to
Ukubi,
talk.
Ukubi, see, when state fail, you cannot blame her to the past regime say the state say they promise say they go do so, they go do so. Then you call the accuser now because I see for studio.
Okay, you go know what happened. I never for once.
I
I never for once
Wait.
made this in party issue. Now him bring the party sentiment into that.
Because you dey shield somebody.
You they accuse the past president of mismanagement of funds. That will not concern federal, concerning state. If like if you go to Imo State now, what they promise say the man they come for this, they talk say he go train you to university level free education. Then now you no go pay. You go carry say na good luck now. Now no pay white money. If the state fail, you don't blame the federal for the failing. Make them go back. Make they go nail them. They pay the money or you nail them. Because I say now say power on one day side now any little thing now everybody go refer to back to the past government. The past government make anybody not swear president name because when good luck enter, he inherit some bad things. So if this one enter now, make it inherit there, make it continue, make it do. Now the wait I get to talk. So
okay, thank you very, very much, Ogaigo. But then we'll see.
Your voice don't come down. Your voice don't come down. They are firing you. They are firing you.
Chukudi, see.
I will hold my peace and they will fire you. The audience, that they fire you.
Unkubu here. At least me I write exam.
Free.
I know I paid.
You paid.
I pay.
Imo State now, we know. Imo State. You paid Imo State. Oga Obiora from Yola. We know all this thing. You paid. Me, I write free.
So good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
I don't see what you will talk. No the issue of no pay wire or pay wire. The thing we talk, we say, no be compulsory, say governor go promise say they go pay. Because if they say they go pay, if the wire money is like 1 million naira, they go times them by 10. No, they don't go talk through. And at the end, they don't go come pay the money. Some of them go even withdraw the money. They don't go back.
Thank you very much, Oga Obiora.
So
I don't even think this one.
Our problem now is, let them leave Wayek. Every family can pay for his children Wayek. Let them do better things because sometimes they go say they go pay. They go collect the money. And now, some people are giving good luck and PDP. Many states, they say they don't go pay. And the people are paying. Doing their Wayek and doing well, like Anambra State. So it's not compulsory that the governor must pay for Wayek or JAM. And if you must pay, like Zamfara promise that they go pay. As they don't pay, they're supposed to go pay that because on a credit on their
But Zamfara will promise they will pay. They'll tell us make they go need to see the breakdown.
Why the other states wey no dey owe no see breakdown?
Na wetin Zamfara state governor talk.
What an excuse. Oga Obiora, thank you very, very much. From Yola go reach Abuja. From Port Harcourt, everywhere, it is still the same.
Chukudi. Make
these governors pay. Unkubi, no dey protect anybody here.
I don't protect anybody.
Make we dey call their name. Make we dey call their name.
If you get the list, bring them out.
Zamfara State and 18 other states.
Why do you keep hammering on Zamfara?
Because he talk saying they owe. He know they owe.
Mention other states. I think talk about other states.
We know the other states.
19 states. Even if no mention, they mention 19 states.
But out of the 19, which one we know?
Other 18 states.
Zamfara and other 18 states. True or false? Oga Prince from Owerri.
Oga Prince, good morning.
Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Nkubi. How are you?
Are they fine?
Chukwudi, how you dey?
I dey fine, Oga Prince. Now just say I dey defend the future of Nigeria. Make these governors they pay
When they buy
money.
sentiment from Nigerians.
Make it take am easy.
Thank you. Now the passion I dey push me.
Where you be like say you want overshadow Nkubi, now wetin dey happen?
I don't understand.
Because in the support bad thing, no.
Make it not dey be like because you see say you talk small, nothing wey dey make you dey hala Nkubi like that.
Oga Prince, why you dey whine Nkubi now?
I say no, Nkubi be my
Oga
man.
Prince, thank you, Jerry. Abeg, make you chupa make we hear you.
That is why I don't want to support you this morning. Waiting, my own take be say make governors wey owe Wayek, make they try pay them.
Thank you.
You understand?
Thank you.
You know, say as we say, make this present government inherit waiting other former government to do. So nothing we say we go. They're patient for this government. So make they do all they will do in order to see that things go do better. You know, why are they angry with some of us to be saying, how you go see baby where they 2 months? You want go flog the baby where they 2 months, so why you know they talk? The picking where they 6 years, where being better, what you go do them? You go shoot them. So make we that patient with this government where they knew now, say, no, say they go do better. So with the all the state governor where they owe, say make they try pay. You understand?
Yes.
We don't encourage any state governor to make the no pay. Make they try pay. Then lastly, I want to ask you, say make you take a easy with the Nkubi. All right? If you get military background very well, make you go from New State. Go
Yes.
to the people, go fight
Aga
for them.
Prince,
If
in
you,
fact,
if you know say you dey strong, you go fight
Borno
with the
State.
people. So make you take your time, eh?
Oga Prince,
Oga
thank
Prince,
you
in fact,
very, very much.
Thank you very much. But the good thing is,
Carry on. I support you.
thank you. I know the person where you could feel shake for here. I know the person where you could feel shake. You could feel get military background. Me say I get my own background. Anyway, I get my own background. Forget that.
Which
if
background?
you talk, I go stand with you.
NYSC.
I go stand with you. I go with you out.
Boy Scouts.
Nobody give me all this thing.
Boy Scouts. Man of war
Bongo,
background.
they call us from Mori. What are you saying?
Military background. Man of war background. It's not the same.
Mind yourself. Bongo.
Hey,
Oga Bongo, good morning.
Ukubi. Shukudi.
Then they greet you
Oga
outside.
Bongo, I hail you. I better raise your voice.
Well done. Ukubi,
Yes.
Kudan. Listen. You get any governor who will not pay allocation money.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. So make una not dey talk say na good luck a day Jonathan that cause this one. It's very wrong. Nothing concerned Vulture with Jericho.
Thank you. You don't hear that?
You understand? You know Vulture, Abi? Nothing concerned her with Jericho.
Yes, now.
Since Zamfara State Governor na the head of government,
Abdulaziz Yari.
he
Abdulaziz
should call,
Yari.
they should call
Yes.
his fellow governors to come outside. The one that they hope they go pay their money.
Now what do they beg for? Now what do they cry out for?
You understand? So Zamfara State Governor are number one. The rest, they go pay their money.
Thank you very much.
Now so it be. I know they attack Shukudi. Now so.
Oga Bongo,
Thank you very much. This point where you don't give now, God go bless you.
Talk, we say, at least he come and come talk. He gave reason. Maybe he reason if he don't dey justifiable. He reason if he don't hold water. But then he just still come out. We don't say him dey. Make others shamefully come out. Make others sell. Make them shamefully come and talk say that make we know as we will take fire them.
Unkubi, you not even supposed to talk this thing at all. Shame supposed even they
What
catch
is the
you.
thing I talk now? Where they
Why you
buy?
go come and talk say he give reason, although the reason no dey justifiable. Make we know they fire them. How person go give reason?
Chukudi.
And you know say no dey justifiable, you say no fire them.
Make others come and make them fire them as well. No dey give all these things.
If Papa carry him
No dey make
children,
a party thing.
if Papa carry him children go hospital, doctor come tell him children say this your children they dey suffer from malnutrition. They no chop well.
You see, young man. What is it? Enough of your examples with me.
I call your name. I say if Papa, now you I call.
No, you are indirectly
Make
referring
we
to
take
me.
Baba Tunde from Oshogbo.
You are indirectly throwing something to
Okay,
me.
for that, I go use you do the example. Baba Tunde from Oshogbo. Good morning, sir. Me and you today. They go bring that trouser. We go put one leg inside. You want bed?
Better.
You want bed?
Better. You get the liver.
You dey bring hand. You dey bring the hand.
Bring hand. Baba
You dey bring
Tunde,
hand.
talk to
Okay.
us. Good morning. Baba Tunde, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we dey hear you right on.
Okay. Okay. My own contribution, is there is a fundamental problem in this country.
Thank you.
Until that fundamental problem is addressed, the issue that the whole will still continue. One thing is this: we must give kudos to these governors because of their intention. I'm not giving kudos to them because they hold.
Okay.
Kudos that I'm giving to them is that they have an intention, and the intention of is equal access to education to people, regardless of wealth and birth. That is their intention in the first instance, and the same condition that disallowed them from or being able to pay for their worker. You see the same condition now that caused them not being able to pay for this white something. So until we address the issue of redundancy of funds in this country, our problem will continue. If you put money into right channel, like in the United States of America now, regardless of wealth, birth, education is not a choice, it's a must, at least from elementary to secondary school level. Why can't we do that in this country also? So if there is a way that people will plunder money running into billions in their account, it will lead to stealing the future of the children and children of this country. So let's put everything into perspective.
Oga Babatunde, thank you very,
very
very much.
much, Oga
This one
Babatunde.
where you just use cover the second half of our as e dey hot na something wey be say sweet me, and I know say don touch Nkubi for him mind.
He touch me and you.
He touch you.
He touch me and
already
you.
touched. Now you need to be touched.
He touch me and you.
Allow me go break.
I'm touched.
Allow me go break.
I
now.
am touched.
Make we go this break. Come
Chukudi,
back.
no ever take me to take. Welcome back. The program now as it is hot and we don't enter that final lap where we go do it. We go sum up all the talk we will talk here. And what will they talk about today? We will talk about the spokesperson of WAEC, that is the spokesperson of WAEC, Mr. Charles, come out contact say look, say states, about 19 states, they owe WAEC money, and how much be the money they involve? 4 billion naira. Say make they do it, make them try to pay. If not, so they go hold back the results of the students where they involved. And that is the governor forum chairman will be the governor of Zamfara State, Abdulaziz, come and talk, say, look, yes, say for them to be able to pay, say they need to know waiting that they pay for, know the cost of waiting the services where WAEC agreed, so they will feel paid based on with the services wey WAEC render. So now wetin be the issue we will talk about today, and I know so we don't get cost, and then the cost still they come in. We will also hear our own opinion on this matter. Yes, Chukudi, back to you. So the point is, see.
Back to me, you can't carry on. Which one be back to me?
Back
the point
to you.
is.
Are they face you before I come out?
No, don't face me.
Are they try
don't face me. You say back to me. You can't talk say the point. Which
back
point?
To you. Hold on.
Which point? Back to you. The point is. Back to you. The
back
point
to
is.
you. Let now talk.
Back to me. Let me talk.
No,
they tell me say let me talk. I will talk.
I will not allow you to talk. So back to you.
I want to talk.
Now you have the face.
Wetin dey bad. I go quote you.
Wetin be it? I no talk say wetin no dey bad. Allow me talk first.
Why you come on dey shield some people when be say they owe?
Chukudi, you see me
we
shield.
don't know one person when they owe. Why you dey defend am?
See wetin he talk now.
That reason when he give, now the reason when he give, na something when we say you fit use justify. Papa no fit take care of him children. You ask am say why? He say he no know how many children him wife born. Wetin that one mean? You be governor of state, una get state ministry of education. When we say all the students register, how you go talk say you no know the number? You go need know the number of students.
Me, I dey kick against this thing.
36 minus 19.
Right
how
about
many
now?
remain? The remaining states wey no dey owe.
Bobby dey call us.
How they take
Bobby
pay?
dey call us. Bobby dey call us. Hold on.
Anyway, I don't go greet on Natu today. You dey hear me so?
What do we do?
In the sense we say, why I don't go greet on Natu? I dey ashamed of Natu today.
I say Nkubi now.
Come to get listen to me, Chukudi. The reason I be this, I don't go greet on now because Natu not fit come together, to fight to day against this thing when you say they happen.
Nkubi, I know one Greek come. We there, I know one Greek come.
Shukudi, listen to me. You can try to preach and try to convince me now. I dey against una too because education is number one priority for every individual Peking in the world. So we're supposed to take that thing seriously. Una too supposed to attack every governor where they hold, past governor, present governor, anybody. Una too supposed to attack everybody, every governor where they hold. So una too now, una got a split on ourselves. They talk, yeah, this one they do this one they do that. It's not two to come together. Una hear the same shit self. Una two supposed to come together and tag these people. Stop to the point.
Oga Bobby.
You hear me?
I dey hear. Right about that, I don't know what I will talk because. Me, now you start the whole argument you talk say na people. I can't make you understand that this thing not be people thing, na collective thing. Okay, I can't give a reason where this governor give. That was just it.
Citizens. No, they talk this governor APC, PDP. Muna too, una shame of yourself. Ooh, shame to una too.
Oga Bobby, abeg. Oga Bobby, we understand your point. Thank you very much for calling and thank you for also making us understand. Say yes, this issue. The way
you don't understand Oga Bobby point. Only me understand that.
How you take understand
because
that?
Oga Bobby they come from Amsterdam, where we say them that the whole education serious. No mayor go come at us say the reason why they never pay now because of say they don't know how many students right now. What a shame.
Emeka they call us. Good morning, Emeka.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bumi.
Good morning.
I know they have. I just listen for the first person that they called with governor.
Okay.
And I know they have. But I wanted to contribute since he started the program.
Yes.
And I want to know the headline of this.
We they talk about the 19 states where they owe WAEC money. and we never pay. The money wey dey involved na 4 billion naira. 4 billion naira. The governor of and the spokesperson of the governor, that's the chairman of the governor forum, that Abdulaziz come and talk, say, look, say something they need to understand something before they go pay the money. While Mr. Charles will be the spokesperson of WAEC talk, say, look, if they no pay the money, say they no go release the results.
Okay, see, I don't know what is all this. That the governors they owe the money. I feel like the WAEC they owe the money.
Now governors they owe money. 19 states they owe.
Nah, see, this Nigeria. I don't know where we are going, and I don't know where are we going. I don't understand. Only workers, only WAEC. In fact, I'm very very surprised because if they stop paying the workers, the WAEC people now, the WAEC will instead they collect money from students, which is the parents cannot afford to pay. And it will be very difficult for this Nigeria. In fact, I don't know what I don't talk about before when they are talking of this Buhari will release money to pay workers. I said something that day, say all these people who don't want to pay, all these governments who don't want to pay, let the federal government they pay them, stop giving them the money. I don't talk this thing. Let them stop giving them the money. Let them pay by themselves. If you think of any state who don't want to pay, let them don't give that person any money. They say there's a house, I don't know, took a social to that day, and I don't understand it. But there's no power where federal government cannot do. That they stop any company, any government who don't want to pay. Let them stop giving that person money and pay those people direct.
Oga Emeka, thank you very much. Yes, I remember saying we talked this thing before. In one of our discussions we'll talk. Say maybe they give the money directly to the people where they owe rather than give it to the governors. If they don't know what they will take the money to. Yes, Chukudi, based on what Oga Bobby talk. See, me, I never for once supported any idea or any talk of us say, okay, I did justify any reason for owing.
So the one way you talk, this morning now waiting. The one way you talk this morning now waiting.
Listen to me now. See what I try talk. The governor I can't talk with the governor talk. Now what I talk.
The thing when the governor talk, now something when we say, person, shame not supposed to catch you as they give him as excuse.
Me self, look, sincerely, me and you know say this thing they very bad. It is very bad for governors.
No, they say me and you know. Me, I know my own right from time.
I know my own right. I don't talk about my own.
Now you they shoot say, make we not call the name of one governor.
But now you make a party thing.
Who could be? 19 states they all.
Now you make a party thing.
Zamfara governor talk say you have no they all. I say Zamfara and 18 states. You say make I no mention Zamfara. Why you go say make I no mention Zamfara?
Why they bring make a party?
Why you go say make I no mention Zamfara? Zamfara they all have no they all. Somebody come talk say na the previous government. You can't say yes, na the previous government. How you going to blame previous government?
Why you going to say that political party issue? Why supposed to be collecting to go address? Talk.
Unkubi, if political party come and talk say, this is our party, we be this, we be that. See what you want to do, see what you want to do. And some governors they spoil the image of that party.
And they talk bad. Before Nigerians right now say, and before our people, our viewership say, look, we will not support anything.
Because Oga Bobby don't talk now.
You don't support me.
You don't support me because Oga Bobby. So he took a call from Amsterdam for you to come to my side. Nigerians, can you see?
I was never on your side. We had the same side. We had the same. We're only bringing it from different angle, but we get central ideology.
Emmanuel from Ikorodu, Paul from Delta, Chukudi from Owerri, Michael from Yola, from Yaba, Laura from Lagos, James from Lagos, Napoleon from Lagos. All these places, 9 people call, tell you say, Unkubi, this thing bad. You see, they say no. Say the governor.
Hey, I'm not taking that from you.
He took a call from Amsterdam.
They don't mention my name.
He took a call from Amsterdam.
They don't mention my name.
He took a call from Amsterdam.
They don't mention my name.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much. Say you call. If not be say you call, Unkubi for no green.
Say yes, it's very important for education to move on. And also our callers will call to also kick against this thing. It did very bad. Yes, it did very bad, and we will not support them. It's as simple as that.
Our people when they for us, they always talk and say Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. If you be governor, we will give you an extra time. If these 2 weeks complete, they come publish your name. Say you they owe. We go talk about all this show, call out your name, and that time you go know say, truly, the thing they really hot. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move our country forward. To all our callers when call, we thank you now. Until we come back again tomorrow with Ogbonge visitor we not promise to join us. Now I see the heart and we say bye-bye.
Education is very important too.
But you don't hear that.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.